Welcome to this tutorial where you'll learn how to create a Hello World application with DevOps Code RealTime. We will use Visual Studio Code, but Eclipse Theia is also supported. DevOps Code RealTime utilizes the Art language, specifically designed for developing stateful and event-driven real-time applications. Let's dive in by creating an Art file. Start by going to the File tab. Then choose the New Text File option. After that, click on Select a Language. From the options that pop up, pick the Art language. Now, let's save the file. Click Save As and give your file a name. Let's call it helloworld.art. Awesome, now you've got your helloworld.art file ready to roll. Now, let's make things happen by creating a capsule in our Art file. Just press Ctrl plus space keys using the Content Assist shortcut. It's like a magic trick. Watch the capsule materialize right before your eyes. After creating the capsule, proceed by giving it a more suitable name. This helps in maintaining clarity and organization in your project. Once renamed, take a moment to visualize the capsule's behavior within a state diagram. Additionally, you have the option to examine the capsule's structure by referring to a structure diagram. These diagrams serve as valuable tools for understanding and representing the intricate dynamics of your created capsule in a more comprehensive manner. So moving forward, let's introduce a time report to enhance the functionality. Take note that as you edit the capsule, the accompanying diagrams automatically update, providing a real-time reflection of your changes. Now, create a transition within the capsule that activates when the timer concludes. This transition code is crafted in C++, which provides a powerful method for specifying behavior. Also, you have the flexibility to include C++ code at different points in the Art file, contributing to an organized code structure. Feel free to add header files for enhanced clarity in your coding approach. Now, let's add a timer by simply using the Content Assist feature. It's a handy feature that suggests and completes the code for you, making the timer configuration process quick and easy. Just give it a try. To build the application, all we require a transformation configuration, often referred to as TC. To initiate this, navigate to the New File option in the File tab and create a new file with the TCJs extension. This transformation configuration file is written in JavaScript and contains settings crucial for the generation of C++ code derived from the Art file. Feel free to tweak the transformation configuration file however you prefer. You can dive into the JavaScript code directly or use a more user-friendly form-based editor. It's your call. The must-have thing in this file is the top capsule property, which tells the system where your application kicks off. Let us move forward with the building process. To wrap it up, let's run the application. Right-click on the default tc.tcjs file and select the Run option. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first Hello World application with DevOps Code RealTime. Now let's explore additional functionalities offered by Code RealTime. Code RealTime provides the capability to display nested diagrams directly within the code by expanding state and part symbols. Furthermore, you have the ability to make modifications within the generated code and seamlessly synchronize those changes back to the corresponding Art file. This integrated functionality ensures a smooth and efficient workflow. Code RealTime also includes support for semantic validation as you type, offering code actions to promptly address and fix any identified issues. This feature enhances code quality by providing real-time feedback and suggestions, contributing to a more efficient and error-free coding experience. An additional standout feature is the code formatting capability. Moreover, effortless navigation is facilitated from diagrams to the art file and vice versa, as well as from the art file to the generated C++ code.